What if time itself is a character? And what if space is not just a backdrop, but the force that shapes destiny? This is the secret engine behind every story called the chronotope. The word chronotope comes from chronos, which means time, and topos, which means space. Mikhail Bhaktin says a chronotope is the moment when time and space fuses to create meaning. This is not a setting, this is not an atmosphere, but the deep structure that decides that a story can become. Because characters act differently when time moves quickly, or when space traps them, or when the world opens into roads, thresholds, islands, rooms. The chronotope does not decorate the story, it creates the condition of the story. Think of an open road. Time flows fast, space is wide, stranger keeps appearing. This is where identities shift. For example, in Don Quixote, you will find that Don Quixote becomes himself on the road. So every journey, every story is shaped by the chronotope. Moment equals transformation. Now think of a threshold, maybe a doorway, a balcony, a bridge. Here, time freezes, choices sharpen, everything becomes decisive. Even Shakespeare knew this because Romeo at Juliet's balcony isn't just romance, it's a moment suspended between danger and desire. Threshold creates crisis and time. Beautiful, isn't it? Now let's move inside a house. A room slows time down. Here, character thinks doubt, evolve. For example, if you read Jane Austen's Drawing Room, if you read Virginia Woolf's Room, if you read Tolstoy's Household, even the salon where Henry James characters negotiate society. So, interior space produces interior consciousness. Villages and gardens runs on seasonal time, childhood traditions, nostalgia. Even if you read Hardy's Wessex or any pastoral poetry, the rhyme of nature becomes the rhyme of the story. So from these examples, you might be able to understand. And then you have futuristic world where time bends, loops, accelerates. For instance, in Interstellar, I believe you have seen the movie. It stretches time, and in 1984 it freezes it. So in science fiction, the chronotope is the plot itself. So the next time you read a story, ask yourself, how is time flowing here? What kind of a space is this? What does this chronotope make possible? Because once you see it, you never read the same story or same way ever again. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe. I will